Oh, wow. Wow. That's good. Oh, I don't know who won that. But yeah. Just a little bit contact and then it's done. It's over. Yeah. When you played so much Beyblade X, which does the very extreme kind of battles. Yeah, this one not so. Again, ready, 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot. Okay, they're performing a little bit nice. Again, ooh, ooh. Okay, I think still for Drigger. For the first part, I think it's for Drigger. Yeah, another one. Okay, so let's have Drigger first for this time. Okay, ready, 3, 2, 1, go. Shoot. Ooh. And still for Drigger. And yeah, that is our two. Whew. Let's see. Damages. Oh, now I have a damage right there. See, it's just a plastic. Let's see if there's a damage. But yeah, it's nice to display with some damage. Scratches. Yeah. Okay, that's it. I will never play them again. I will just, yeah, I will display them. Okay, I will try to find some stand for Beyblade X and then display them because they will be really nice display. Because the designs, it's very nice. It's a decal one. The stickers, I think it's a decal. It's not a just sticker painted kind of, yeah. I don't know, but yeah, the design is very nice on the blade. Okay, so yeah, there's some scratches already, but still, it's nice. It's good. So that is our. So let me get the box again. Yeah, and yeah, let's put it here. Yeah. So this is our what you call this one? Your Beyblade X Bakoten Shoot version, but it's a fake one. So yeah, that's our Drigger and your Dranzer. Whew, and it's fake. Please do not have a battle with the original Beyblade X because they're just plastics. There's no metal protruding outside. So if you will battle them with the original Beyblade X, I know you will just destroy them. If you want to have this, if you want to have this, please just go and display them. Okay, that's my advice. But if you want to play them with some Beyblade X, original Beyblade X, then go. But still, yeah, they will just be destroyed for me. Okay, so this is it for now, guys. Thank you so much for watching. And if you like these kinds of videos and contents, please